Hello and welcome. I have gone through my stash and I have pulled out some patterns for the fall, and they're separated into little stacks. And I have patterns that will fit the beginning of the fall, the middle, and getting closer to winter. I will present these. I'll do a video on the each section of the patterns to cover the weather that we are in. Thanks for coming. I appreciate you being there. Thanks to all, and a shout out to all the new subscribers and everyone who has been rolling with me so far. Hey, I'm Alethea. We're talking about fall patterns today. Hello and welcome. I have gone through my stash and I have pulled out some patterns for the fall, and they're separated into little stacks. And I have patterns that will fit the beginning of the fall, the middle, and getting closer to winter. I will present these. I'll do a video on the each section of the patterns to cover the weather that we are in. Thanks for coming. I appreciate you being there. Thanks to all, and a shout out to all the new subscribers and everyone who has been rolling with me so far. Hey, I'm Alethea. We're talking about fall patterns today. So today I only have 5 patterns that we can look at for the fall. This looks nice for a pair of shorts in faux leather or corduroy or even suede with a vest. And with this pattern you have pants as an option too. And this is Butterick 6901. I like this idea and I like the vest. And I don't believe it has the t-shirt, but you can easily find a T pattern. I know I have a pattern in my stash. So it's called Mrs. Bass Pants and Shorts. Here are the line joints, and this has a tie in the back. So you have the pants and the vest and the shorts. I'm thinking about and would like and planning to make the shorts in corduroy. I think that would be nice. The weather is getting ready to change up. We're coming into fall. September is next month. So that's pattern number 1. Let's see what the rating is on it. And it's rated average. The next one is Simplicity 3067. This is a pattern where you have options of a vest. You can use it as a blouse, and these are blouses to choose from. And it's rated average. And the Simplicity 3067 is Mrs. Tops with ABCD cup sizes. I have not sewn this pattern yet. Here are the line joins, and you can make a vest out of these. I think in the fall, I like shorts made of leather, suede, or corduroy with a vest to it. I think that looks really, really nice. So we are in the beginning in the coming of fall season. The next one is V2034. It's a Vogue pattern. I would like to make this out of some denim fabric. I started to, well, I was looking at these pants, but they're kind of short to make out of corduroy, but they're kind of too short. Well, I could extend the length on them, but why do it? I just decided that I want to work on these pants. I like the way that it buttons here. And what's the notions for the pants? Where are the notions? Buttons. You only need buttons, no zipper. So here are the line drawings for that pattern. I like the wide leg pants, and they even have pockets in the back. I just love this. And pockets in the front. It's like, sort of like a little sailor thing going on here. And look at the fabric, but I want mine out of denim. So the next thing before it gets too cool is this dress with the long sleeves. I like the style and the shaping of this dress here. And it's McCall's 8552. And this is also rated average, and it's called Mrs. Dresses with Sleeve Variations. I just like that style and the long sleeves. I don't know whether these are not knitted cuffs. It's fabric and you can color block them. So again, McCall's 8552. It looks nice. And this one has an invisible zipper, 2 hooks and eyes, and you got, with different views, 3 to 5 buttons. Nice with pockets, front and top and bottom, or short sleeves, or mix and match. That's what I will do. Now, the next fall pattern I selected, my choice was M8345, Learn to Sew. I think this will look nice in a cord, corduroy. Very nice. It's an easy pattern. It's called Mrs. Skirt Overalls. And suggested fabrics of denim, twill, corduroy, cotton blends. And you need a lightweight interface, and you need buckles and jean buttons. I think that will be a fun project for somebody starting to sew and want something quick and nice that's trending. Will be very nice. Look at the details in the back. It's a crisscross strap in the back. You got pockets on the bib and in the back. Your choice. There are different lengths of this dress. You got A, B, C to choose from. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like that. This would definitely be one of the ones that I'm going to work on. These pants. And definitely I want to do the vest and the corduroy shorts.